Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a tutorial on how to write a Python program that prompts the user to input a week number and then prints the corresponding day of the week. First, create a new Python file, example week_day.py, to write your program. 2. Use the following code to implement the program. 3. In this program, the get_week_day function takes a week number as input and returns the corresponding day of the week. We define a list days containing the names of the days of the week. We check if the input week number is valid, between 1 and 7, and return an error message if it is not. In the __main___ block, we prompt the user to enter a week number and call the get_week_day function to get the day of the week for that number. Finally, we print the result to the console. 4. To run the program, save the file and execute it using a Python interpreter. Enter a week number when prompted, and the program will output the corresponding day of the week. 5. Test the program with different week numbers to verify its functionality. That's it. You have now created a Python program that takes a week number as input and prints the corresponding day of the week.